Okay, the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to solve for missing angles. Okay, so on this one right here, if you could see, we have a supplementary angle. So from here we know that a supplementary angle, okay, a supplementary angle angles are equal to 180 degrees. So we know that from here all across to here it is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now we have two angles, angle A, and then we have angle B. Okay, so let's suppose that we need to find one missing angle. Let's say this one right here, they giving us a 45-degree angle. Okay, so angle A from here to here is 45 degrees. Okay, so what we would do is we know that angle A plus angle B must equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so we know angle A is 45 degrees, so we put 45 here, right? Plus angle B, we do not know angle B, so equals 180 degrees. Okay, so what do? We have an equation, things that you already know how to do, one-step equations. So what do? We do the inverse operation, the opposite. So what's the opposite of 45? It will be minus 45. We take away 45. What we do on one side, we do to the other, minus 45, right? So we solve. So we have, remember this one cancels out, we're only left with angle B is equal to 180 minus 45 is 135 degrees. So that means that angle B is 135 degrees. So in order for us to check it, remember all we have to do is add up both angles. We add up 135 plus 45 should give us 180 degrees. Okay, so that's how we find the missing angle of a supplementary angle. Okay, so now the next part, we're going to go ahead and move on to this one, which is our complementary angle, right? So we have a complementary angle. We have complementary angles. All right, so let's say, remember, a complementary angle, both angles must equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so see this right here, that means that they are 90 degrees. Okay, so let's say this one right here, this angle, angle A, is 40 degrees. And we need to find out what angle B is. We don't know angle B. So again, remember, complementary angles have to equal 90 degrees. So angle A plus angle B must equal 90 degrees. So we know angle A. Angle A is 40. Plus, we do not know angle B, right, is equal to 90 degrees. Again, we have an equation, a one-step equation. Again, to solve it, we do the inverse operation, which is subtract negative 40 to this side. We have to subtract it to the other side of our equal sign. Then we go ahead and solve. So we cancel this one out. We are left with angle B on this side only equals to 90 minus 40 gives us 50 degrees. So therefore, angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Again, to check it, what do we have to do? We have to add angle A. Oops. We have to, sorry, this one erased. We have to add up angle A plus angle B, which is 50 plus 40, should give us 90 degrees. Okay, and that's the way we check it.